see there, you see some debris in the line, but there we cannot see anymore due to the debris or roots. Who knows what's going on this line. Looks like there's a root intrusion this line. So we'll see if we're gonna go ahead and pull our camera. That's as far as we're gonna be able to go without getting stuck with our camera. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight this line. As you can see, it looks like there's a root intrusion in the line. This one was approximately 14 feet away from the doorway. Now that we hydrate, now we got the line a lot cleaner. Now we can have a good view. As you can see, there's a big root balls in this line. So we'll see if we can hydrate it and see how far we're gonna be able to do. Okay, so actually we got lucky after we cut that the root ball. So we'll see if we can remove it with our hands. Oh, actually, wow, we got lucky with this big root. Well, now you can see it's a massive root intrusion on this line. It looks like almost like 10-15 feet. We don't know, but we're gonna try to hard to pull it out. So it was a little bit hard. Actually, we finally got it out.